कार्लोस म्हणटा ही गजाल खुशालकायेची न्ही.
एक हांव म्हणटा तेगे स्टेटमेंट सामको पळय, सामको आयक आनी परत आयक. कित्याक सांगता, एक खुशालकायेची खबर न्ही, ती सनबर्न बंद जातली. तेणें म्हणलां दीस इज माय लास्ट सनबर्न इन गोवा. म्हणलोलो तो नासतलो फॉर द नेक्स्ट सनबर्न. And I have come to know, this you can verify, that he has apparently sold his company to Book My Show or somebody else. So some company has bought his. So that company must have probably purchased the rights to host these events, and including Sunburn. So to nastolo, but he doesn't make a statement that Sunburn will not happen in Goa. असले statement ना त्याचा.
एक्टिविस्ट म्हणटा गोंयकारां खातीर नव्या वर्साचे हे बेस्ट गिफ्ट.
This is the best New Year gift we as Goans could get from the Almighty. Sunburn is a hindrance not only to Goa but to a community in all.
सनबर्न दुसऱ्याक विकला आसत म्हूण वरेनाक भंय.
Welcome. So my only fear म्हजो एक भिरांत आहा that you will return back as a proxy. कित्याक through my sources आणि म्हाका खबर आहा ते भाशेन you all have sold Sunburn Music Festival to Book My Show, and this coming December 2024 it might be Book My Show Festival. It's a proxy, it's a mask that you'll be wearing and coming back. Even if you have little bit of respect, Mr. Harinder Singh आणि Sunburn organizer, तुमकां थोडो देखून सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट आहा जाल्यार पोतून येयना काय.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ब्युरो वांगडा ओमकार फळारी.